it your birthday? No, it isn't. Oh. Thanks. Do you want to sit there?
No, I was talking to him. Get out of the way. This is the top.
Teddy! This is the top. Like
Yeah.
this.
You can just
I
tear
can't
it.
think of what it can be. No idea.
You can tear it all to pieces.
Yeah, it's very makeshift. We noticed you've been eating a lot of bananas.
You know how you love bananas?
Did you hear Tucker? Derek, Daddy got you a present.
Before you open the door?
You dummy. There's some props.
Yeah.
Just pour it out.
Tucker, clean up all this.
Pick all this crap up, boy. You don't have to pick it up. Not now. What's the matter with you? You sip on the box? Is this why you've been buying all these balls? I wanted to put on there the card that this is the play with I can't say it.
Connor, quit. That's going to be hard to get out.
Yeah, Jeremy was like, you should go get it and bring it over here and open it over here.
Jeremy knows too much.
I told Jeremy yesterday.
I was wondering, like, you said something again today. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. This weekend. She's like, what? So, and then I asked him something and he just kind of dodged it and went somewhere else with it. Holy monkeys.
Stop hitting him with stuff.
Oh no.
Yeah, really
Go
awesome.
over there and sit down. Be quiet.
Tucker, look at that. You know what that is? So I can put this on your four-wheeler when you're riding.